Sa low carb, kapag ginawa natin ng tama, ang metabolismo ng ating katawan ay gagana ng normal at makakamit mo ang kagalingan kung meron ka lang disiplina at tiwala sa buong proseso. Ngunit kung ang gusto mo lamang ay pumayat, magbilang ka ng calories o mas kilala sa tawag na calorie deficit, but eventually, it will slow down your metabolism. But if you want to heal your metabolic dysfunction, only low carb and fasting can do that. Never delay and keep going. That is why sa low carb, hindi kami nagbibilang ng calories. Just eat when you are hungry until you satisfy. Kaya stay low carb so you can stay safe.